Today I am reviewing the AIRDOCTOR AD2000 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to improving indoor air quality, especially in smaller spaces like bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices, the AIRDOCTOR AD2000 Air Purifier stands out as a compact yet powerful solution. In today's world, where air pollution, allergens, and even indoor contaminants can impact health, having a reliable air purifier isn't just a luxury. It's becoming a necessity. And the AIRDOCTOR 2000 aims to strike that perfect balance between performance, convenience, and quiet operation. Let's start with where this purifier really shines: its filtration system. The AD2000 features a three-stage filtration process that includes a pre-filter, an UltraHEPA filter, and a carbon/VOC filter. The pre-filter captures larger particles like dust, pet hair, and lint, helping to extend the life of the more advanced filters. But the real highlight here is the UltraHEPA filter. Unlike standard HEPA filters, which typically capture particles down to 0.3 microns, the UltraHEPA technology in this unit is capable of capturing particles as small as 0.003 microns. That's incredibly small, 100 times smaller than traditional HEPA standards. This means it can trap ultrafine pollutants like smoke particles, bacteria, and even some viruses, giving you a noticeably cleaner breathing environment. The carbon filter also plays an important role, especially if you're dealing with odors or chemical pollutants. It helps remove volatile organic compounds, commonly known as VOCs, as well as smells from cooking, pets, or smoke. If you live in a city environment or an area with traffic pollution, this feature becomes especially valuable. Now let's talk about coverage and performance. The AIRDOCTOR 2000 is designed for small to medium-sized rooms, making it ideal for bedrooms or offices. It can circulate air in a space of about 305 square feet 4 times per hour, or up to 610 square feet twice per hour. In practical terms, this means the air in your room is constantly being cleaned and refreshed, rather than just passively filtered. You'll likely notice the difference within a few hours, especially if you're sensitive to dust, allergens, or odors. Another major advantage of this unit is its adjustable fan system. It offers 6 different fan speeds, allowing you to customize performance based on your needs. On higher speeds, it works quickly to purify heavily polluted air, while the lower speeds are perfect for maintaining air quality quietly in the background. And speaking of quiet, this purifier is designed to be about 30% quieter than traditional models. That makes it an excellent choice for bedrooms, where noise can be a deal breaker. You can run it overnight without disturbing your sleep. The design and usability are also well thought out. The unit includes a variety of display features that enhance everyday convenience. There's a night dim setting, which reduces brightness for better sleep conditions, as well as a timer function, so you can schedule operation. It also offers both auto and manual modes, letting you either rely on the purifier to adjust settings automatically or take full control yourself. Additional features like a child lock make it a safe option for families, while the filter reset indicator ensures you always know when it's time for maintenance. And for those interested in added purification, there's an optional ion feature, although some users may prefer to leave that off depending on personal preference. Maintenance is fairly straightforward. AIRDOCTOR recommends replacing the filters every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and air quality conditions. It's important to use genuine replacement filters to maintain the purifier's performance standards. While this does add to the long-term cost, it ensures that the unit continues to operate at its full potential. In terms of design, the AIRDOCTOR 2000 has a clean and modern look that fits easily into most home environments. It's compact enough not to take up too much space, yet solidly built, giving it a premium feel without being overly bulky. So, who is this purifier best for? If you're someone who struggles with allergies, lives in an urban area, or simply wants cleaner air in a smaller living space, the AD2000 is a strong contender. It's especially useful for bedrooms, where quiet operation and consistent air circulation are key. Of course, no product is perfect. While the performance is impressive, the need for regular filter replacements may be a consideration for budget-conscious users. However, When you weigh that against the level of filtration and air quality improvement it delivers, many will find it to be a worthwhile investment. Overall, the AIRDOCTOR AD2000 Air Purifier offers a powerful combination of advanced filtration, quiet operation, and user-friendly features in a compact package. It delivers on its promise of cleaner, healthier air, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their indoor environment without stepping up to a larger, more expensive unit.